Replace the toner cartridge in HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M652, M653, and MFP M682, M683 series printers when the toner is low or empty. Open the front door to access the toner cartridges. Grab the cartridge that needs to be replaced and pull to remove it from the printer. Set the cartridge aside for recycling. For more information on recycling empty toner cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging and set it on a flat surface. Remove the orange cover from the cartridge. Hold the new cartridge horizontally and shake it front and back 6 times to evenly distribute the toner. Slide the new cartridge into its slot in the printer until it locks in place. Close the printer front door and resume printing.